Hi, classmates and professor. My name is Kendall Dill, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. And why environmental geology with lab? Well, primarily as part of my major, this is one of the classes I am required to take. However, I decided to take environmental geology versus another type of lab class because I do believe, as a psychology major, that a great deal of what our species, human beings, are navigating today centers around navigating environmental crises, climate change, the increase in the intensity of natural disasters, the displacement and trauma that comes from surviving natural disasters, things like this. I feel like this is a big part of our collective psyche and what we are navigating, and has a huge impact on our well-being. So I'm interested in sort of seeing and learning, more about the scientific elements, but also the practical elements maybe that will emerge from class in terms of how to really understand how to coexist as a species on a planet that is very much alive and very much active, right? Do I believe that present generations are obligated, to be a part of sustainability and the preservation of this planet? Yes, absolutely. And I feel like it's also a really complicated question because I feel like, there's what we can do currently, and then there's the reality, which is that a lot of generations inherit the decisions and choices that were made from previous generations. And so I feel like, there's this question of what can we do to bring about a level of harmony in how we live on this planet and how we treat the planet. And also, looking at what are the systems that are in place that obstruct that? What are the systems that are in place that deprioritize that? And how to really begin reorienting our systems to gear more towards sustainable living. Living on a planet, again, that is so very much alive and so very much in need of our care and respect. So I'm very excited to take this class and to meet all of you, and wishing everyone a wonderful semester moving forward. Bye.